Hey gardener folks, I am going to do a raised bed garden. I'm going to put this pot at the bottom of it. This has zucchini squash growing in it. I'm going to bring it down here to my 4x4 raised bed vegetable garden. My husband made it for me, and we're going to see how it does this year. I've never done one. If it goes well, then I'm probably going to do another one next year, a bigger one. But the zucchini squash, I'm going to put right here on the end, probably do another one. I'm going to plant cucumbers, tomatoes, and okra. So I'm filling it up right now with some just regular garden soil, peat moss. I'm going to see how that mix goes, and then I'm going to section it off. See you shortly.